Hello students, now we will see a question from the exercise end of chapter exercises. Now the chapter name is exploring algebraic expressions for class 9th. Now in my previous video I have solved question number 1 up to 5th part. Now from today I will solve question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the question number 6 is 1 by 2r minus 4r square. So we have to solve it. So here clearly we see that a minus b square identity is to be used. So by using identity a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will use this identity here a equals to 1 by 2r, b equals to 4r. So 1 by 2r means 1 upon 2r minus 4r square. So we will get 1 by 2r square minus 2 into a is 1 by 2r into b is 4r plus b square, that is 4r square. So here it will become 1 by 4r square minus 2r into 2r cancel means here it is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 square means 16, r square means r square. So this will be our answer for this question. And here we have used identity, that is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here there are three terms, minus 3m plus 4k minus l square. So in this we will use the formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square. So I will write by using identity a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now here a equals to minus 3m, b equals to 4k and c equals to minus l. So now I will put the value. जब हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी वैल्यू को इसमें फार्मूले में रखेंगे और सॉल्व करेंगे. So I will put these values. A is minus 3m, B is plus 4k and C is minus L square. Now A square means minus 3m square plus B means 4k square plus C means minus L square plus 2AB means 2, A is minus 3M into B is 4K plus 2BC. So 2 into B is 4K into C is minus L plus 2CA. So C is minus L into A is minus 3M. So this will become 3 square means 9, M is square, 4 square means 16, K square, L square means plus L square minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24 MK plus minus 2 4 ja 8 KL, 8 KL plus 3 2 ja 6 ml, 6 ml. So this will be our answer for question, that is minus 3M plus 4K minus L square. So इस तरह से using identity A plus B plus C square we have got our answer. Now we will see a question, that is x minus 1 by 3y cube. So clearly we see we have to use the identity, that is solution by using identity tt a minus b whole cube. So it will be a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube. So this will be the identity we will use. Here a equals to x and b equals to y by 3. Now we put the values. हम इसकी वैल्यू को लिखेंगे. So x minus 1 by 3y cube equals to, now a cube means x cube minus 3 a square means into x square into b is y by 3 plus 3 a into x into b square means y by 3 square minus b cube means y by 3 cube. अब इसी को सॉल्व करेंगे, दैट इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर y upon 3 plus 3xy square, 3xy square, and 3 square means 9 minus y cube upon 3 cube means 3 means 3 3 is 9 into 3, that is 27. So here x equals to x cube minus this 3 and this 3 cancels, so we will get x square y, 3 1 ja 3, 3 ja 9, so here we will get plus xy square, xy square upon 3 minus y cube upon 26. So this will be the answer for this question. Now we will solve question number 9, the part number 9 of question 1. 7 by 2k minus 2 by 3m cube. This is the question. Now solution, here a minus b whole cube. We will use the identity, that is a minus b whole cube, by using identity that is a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this भी ये आइडेंटिटी हमारी है जो इसमें यूज करेंगे. Here a is 7 by 2 k, b equals to 2 by 3 m. So now the formula is a minus b. So here I will place the values, that is a की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे 7k by 2 minus b means 2m by 3 whole cube equals to a cube means 7k by 2 cube minus 3 into a square means 7k by 2 whole square into b 2m by 3 plus 3 into 7k by 2 into 2m by 3 square. B square means 2m by 3 square minus b cube. B cube means 2m by 3 cube. So now this will be solved. 7k cube. 7 cube means 3 into 3 means 343. k cube upon 2 cube means 8 minus 3 into 7 square means 49 k square upon 2 square means 4 into 2m by 3 plus 3 into 7 21 k by 2 into 2 to the 4 m square upon 3 3 is 9 means 3 square means 9 minus 2 cube means 8 m cube upon 3 cube means 27. So here I will get 343 k cube upon 8 minus 3 3 cancels and 2 2 is 4. So this comes out to be 49 by 2 k square m plus here 2 cancels, 4 means 2, 3 7 is 21, 3 3 is 9. So this becomes 14 km square upon 3 minus 8m cube upon 26. So this will be our answer for this question. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.